Howdy, y'all, Lone Star Rider here. I'm here at Texas Sidecar for their open house today. Y'all stick around.
Lone Star Rider on his motorcycle, raising money, making friends, seeing the country into it. Lone Star Rider.
Taking a ride on this old fire truck from 1949. It used to be one of the main trucks here in Teague, Texas. So we're taking a ride on it. The event here at the open house at the Texas Sidecar was awesome. If you ever get a chance, you're in Teague, Texas, stop by and check out the Sidecar, especially if you need a sidecar for your motorcycle. Catch you on the road. Teague, Texas.